Hey everyone, I've got this TV stand here for an unboxing, assembly, and review. Here's all the parts that came in the box. Got 4 H kind of brackets there, 2 pieces of wood there, 2 metal screens, 2 more bigger pieces of wood, and 2 pieces of wood here of different sizes, and then our hardware here, nuts and bolts there. Also comes with a screwdriver to put this stuff together. Step 1, we're going to take piece 5s and 6s, and then we're going to put the piece Fs in the bottom for the legs on them, all 4. Each bag is labeled with the letters, and here's our piece F. Take our pieces here, so we've got 3 more. If you look in the bottom here, there's some threads. Piece F's just thread right in there. We'll use these for leveling and keeping it flat. So right now we're just going to tighten them up all the way, hand tight. Got those on there and set aside. All right, here's our step 2. So we're going to take these fasteners, 4 A's and 4 E's. We're going to make it look like this. We're going to grab this side piece number 5, side piece number 6, and install piece 7 and 3 on there with fasteners E and A. All right, for this next step, we're going to use piece 3 on the left and piece 7 on the right with 2 of these here. All right, I got my 4A fasteners. What I'm going to do here is just fasten this bottom metal grating piece first to piece 5 and 6, and then I'll put 3 on. There's 2 holes down there. You want to go for the upper one. That way it's level with this here. Here's fasteners E. Now we're just taking and putting these in here, and then we'll drive them in with the screwdriver. All right, that one's done. Now we're going to do the same thing on this side. The difference is, you see this side is going to go on the left. So it's going to face that way, those little tabs up there. All right, got this second one done now. There's what we got so far. There's our next step. We're taking piece 4 and screwing down 2 piece number 8s to it with 4 B fasteners. We're doing this twice with both piece 4. So here's what our B fasteners. All right, here's our pieces. The metal pieces are piece number 8s, and the 2 wood pieces are piece number 4. All right, those pieces are done. Okay, here's our next step. We're going to connect it all with our A screws or A fasteners. Okay, now what we're doing is piece 4 is we're connecting the 2. See how this goes? We're lining that up with the bottom one and running the screw right down through that and into piece 4 here. Same thing with this side. We're just spanning between these 2 parts here, between that one and that one. Okay, just got this one on and tight right here, and now we got this one on too. So the directions say you have to flip the whole thing over to access it, which you can, but I'm actually able to access it right here to tighten these down. All right, here's our next step. We're gonna hook piece 10 and 13 together with piece 11, and 11 is right here. The fasteners that we're gonna use is fasteners C, is the C fasteners right here. Okay, there's piece 13 and 10, and here's piece 11. I'm gonna hook the 2 together. Okay, we're just gonna line up all the holes here. You hear my dog getting water in the back. Slide that over there, and we'll just screw those in. These C fasteners here. Okay, now we got that big long piece hooked together. We're gonna do the same thing with these 2 pieces right here. Okay, now that we're done with these 2 steps here, we're gonna go ahead and just put them right in across the top of the whole piece that we just put together. So if you're looking at it, 9 and 12 is gonna go on the back, and 10 and 13 is in the front, and they're gonna go on with the A screws on the sides and the C screws from underneath. Okay, I just took this piece and set it right on top there, You can see the tabs go in, and then we'll fasten it here from this side, and then also from underneath on these with this C fasteners here, A fasteners on the ends. And we'll do the same thing with this one. This one's gonna go right here, opposing the other one. Now we'll just get it fastened in. Here's our C fasteners, and they're gonna go right up under here. Okay, now that we got those two pieces fastened on there, it's time to put the wood on. Now if you see these little white grommets there, those are gonna go face down. This is piece one, and those white grommets line up with these holes right here. We're gonna put these on with our C fasteners. Whatever direction you decided to put this together, just figure out where the grommets line up with the metal tabs there. We're going to be screwing up from underneath here, and we're going to use our C fasteners. Nice fit there. And we'll fasten it all down. One last thing, there's some hooks that go on there as well. Put your hooks here and hang whatever you want.